It's like falling behind a supercell. You got to close the gap some way or another.
Crank that drag down more. Josh.
Keep tension on. Keep tension. Reed, real. Got to keep tension on it. Reed. Reed's first spoonbill. It's happening, man.
Here it comes!
He takes off.
Just
Walk forward pretty quick.
All right.
Couldn't run too hard now. He told Reed he'd get a workout today.
get it, Reed.
Like 30 something.
Bub, don't grab the line. Just let Reed do it.
Hold on, regrouping.
Damn, he's pretty good, man.
Wow!
He's pretty good, Reed.
Don't gaff it.
Don't gaff it. Let it get it right up to the edge.
Wow!
There you go. Don't grab the hook.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight, Reed.
Get up there close! Nice! There it is!
Oh, man.
No.
Leave it tight. Leave it tight.
Put your pole down, Reed.
Hold it down.
Here now. You don't want that hook to come out.
There you go.
Easy, bub.
Woo!
All right, now grab some of that action. That's bigger than mine was, man.
Bent your hook
Can I hold it?
Put your arm through that gill. That's
Right here?
Yep, 40 right there. All the way in.
That's a 50-pounder at least.
Or you can do that.
Oh,
Here
hang
it
on a
is.
second. Hang on a second.
On the right side?
Yeah.
All right, you good?
Son, feels heavy.
Don't go live.
Play your drag. You're not fighting. His is a little bit too loose. He's reeling nothing. He's way out there.
Oh, yeah.
We're going live.
Looks like he's stacked up. You hit him the same spot?
Yeah, it's almost exactly the same spot.
There you have Jeremy is pulling in a paddlefish. Yeah, tell us what your thoughts are.
Anyways, it feels like a big boy. We're going to have to get it in to see it. It probably pulled off, man, I bet 60, 20 yards, 30 yards, would you say, Chance?
Yeah.
Of string. There we go again. Look at there. Pulling the string off.
Yeah.
There he goes. Ah, look at there. Look at the spool.
Yeah.
She's just pulling it off.
Walk up. Quit walking back. Reel up. Reel.
Hell, I'm tired. You look at that wake. This feels like a big boy.
You either got him in the tail.
You got this one last time if you need some help.
Reel up, walk towards this point real hard.
Back up 15 feet. Come on. Right back up.
How are you feeling? How are your arms feeling?
They're getting worn out. Of course, I'm kind of a wimp anyways. Yep. Look at there. You can see it breaching. Woohoo! Where'd I get him in the tail? Well, I'll tell you what, this is probably a better fight than even my first one was. I don't know who's more worn out, me or the fish. He's coming top. He's pretty well had at this point. Oh yeah, looks big.
Oh, heavy is it?
But the way it feels here, which it's hard to tell, every bit of a 50. Feels heavier than the first one I got. Yeah.
Nice. Got him by the tail, looks like.
I've got a tiger by the tail.
It's plain to see.
He's getting the best of me.
Oh boy, you're gonna lose that hook.
Huh?
You're about to lose that hook. He's right in the tail, but
Damn.
oh boy, he's big. Oh, you were right in the middle, Jeremy. That where you got him. Oh no, boy. Right,
Yeah,
that hook's out. Watch, the hook's out, watch out.
Oh, that's a big one. That might be 70.
That one just jumped.
Yeah, he just jumped all the way in the water. Try to keep him away from next year. That's not gonna happen. Howdy.
All right. The camera's not here. What are your thoughts?
It's a big fucking fish.
Feeling big? All right.
Yep, feeling big.
There it goes.
You're gonna have to pull, you're gonna lose him. He's coming over.
Seems like he's trying to go to that, wow, that was a nice one. He's trying to go to the log.
Real, you'll get slack in it. Something else just moved right there. Look at that big old flow. There might have been another one stuck right here. Yeah.
Where'd you get him at, close?
Yeah, like 10 feet offshore.
Yeah.
Wow.
Stuck right here. Just took off.
Shit. Can't breathe.
Into the nose, out through the mouth.
Play. Start reeling it forward.
Squeeze!
Feel my line like it's ready to break.
Whoa. Holy cow! That is a big one, right? That's a little...
Oh God.
Nice. Great work.
Oh yeah. I'm ready to go now. Hell yeah.
Got a boil on his tail.
There we go.
There you go.
He's been stuck on the other side of it.
How was it? Tired?
Tired. Ready to go home.
What are your thoughts?
About time. I'm worn out. What have we casted? Probably 300 times today. It does. When you hit them, though, it's like you hit the rock until like the rock moves. Come on. Well, he don't want to move. No, he's just laying out there. Come on. We got two so far.
Reed, you one?
Not yet. He's hooking up. He brings it in. That's the way I used to do my striper. You'd see him hit out there and then go right out there on top of him.
Yeah, that was perfect. Aim for it.
Maybe bigger than mine.
He was 10 feet offshore. I was really fast trying to stay off the rock, and he hit it. It was like, he took off and it cut my finger. The braided line went Come on, this guy ain't moving nowhere. He jumped all the way out of the water. I'm like, oh my God. He knows where upstream is. That's the problem. This fish has been sitting there.
Yeah, look at that. It's trying to go to his comfort zone.
Big one chance?
And it's always hard to tell when you hook something
It
inside.
looks like a blue cat. I don't see no bill.
Guys, spoonbill.
Huh?
Look at that other big one behind me.
Oh yeah.
25 yards.
Yeah, look at that.
I threw that out there. Reese said, look right behind me. I threw it out there and
Bam.
second snagged. Spot throw. Looks like they're starting to surface a lot more now.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Beach the whale.
I'm gonna be bringing Chance's mom.
Chance says, "You fools ain't leaving me out to dry." I'm going home with a fish, doggone it.
Even if it's a baby.
Reed,
Watch
you
him
gotta
cut
get
the
you a
line.
keeper now.
Yeah.
Watch, it's gonna be 15, 20 pounds. He's gonna cut the line before it ever gets up here.
That's what I was just thinking.
Sweat running out.
Yeah, I got a bruise. Damn. Feels like something's been burrowing into my
That's
leg.
a nice one, Chance. It ain't no little one.
Josh's is hooked right in the top. Good hook.
Oh shit, you barely on there.
Where's that gaff at?
It's hanging. I'm gonna bring it in, Josh. Play with him.
Oh god.
Watch that hook, Jeremy.
It's gonna pop out. Let's do it. Watch out. Slow it. Slow it. You're on skin. Grab it.
That's not a very big one.
Nah, that's just what we expect from you though.
Still a lug.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Still a baby.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Hold up, Chance.
Yeah.
You ready to get together? I'm gonna get a picture of you.
He just got a little baby one.
Yeah.
It's funny, it's how you hook them always in the tail.
Hold that bitch up there. Get over there, Reed. You gotta get over there with him.
Shoot that.
A little baby.
Reed, you got a big one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Did you see it catch air?
Yeah.
Where's your phone at?
Just let it go till it stops?
You gotta work it up, Reed. Keep your slack up. Pull it. Yeah, you're gonna have to erect it more.
We gotta fix this thing, I think. It's not reeling.
It's just pulling, man. All right, here we are.
When you hey, when you do that, don't pull so hard, but grab the line.
Reed's got a big one here.
Put a finger on it. Let him run. He's still running. Keep it. Yeah. Like
Reed's got a big one here. Let's watch this, boys.
He come on.
No.
Hold it up. Keep rolling.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, Reed. Come on now. Did you let him go?
Yeah, come on. Gone.
Oh, that was a big one.
That was a big sumbitch.
Oh,
Shit.
Oh, he's still there.
oh,
He's still
Reed.
there.
Yeah,
Reed,
he's definitely still there.
you gotta keep that cranked up. He'd swim back toward you.
Don't force him. Slowly. Yeah, just slowly. Remember how I worked me just real slow. He'll come. Adjust it if you need to.
Reed, you cannot let off slack. Don't let slack. You cannot let slack.
Hold your keep the pole up the whole time. You're all right. He's heavy now.
Yeah, Reed's gonna get the biggest one. Yeah. Reed Timmer gone rogue. Reed Timmer's gone rogue. Do not let slack. Reed,
He's left. He already told you. He was sore.
try to walk back, Reed. Try to walk back a little bit and listen to me. What you do with it, do not let it off. I mean, do not let it off.
Start walking this way, but real when you walk.
Yeah, walk this way and reel. Yeah.
Get in that damn log.
Man, he's big. Get him, Reed. Get him, Reed. Reel and walk this way. Reel as fast as you can. You gotta keep it tight. You gotta keep it tight. You gotta keep it tight, Reed. Come on. Look at that face. Keep it up high. Keep reeling. That sucker's coming in no matter what. Reed's got a big one here. Let's watch this, boys.
Took a shit ton of line.
Come on now.
Don't lose it.
Oh, that was a big one. That's a big one, bitch.
What? Pretty tight in the back.
So let's watch old Reed. He's busted out. Look at this. He's got beads of sweat running down his face. He is getting worked over by this fish.
We're dominating this fish. You get it.
That's an EF5 right here.
Go all the way up. Keep going as far as you can go.
Now reel it in. Reel, Reed. Get it, Reed. It's gonna pull him in. It's gonna pull his butt in the water.
He gets a little bit
Reed, he's
closer, he's
big.
gonna take off again.
Get ready to jump in there, Chance.
He's gonna be sopping wet with sweat. time
Oh
the
boy.
comes in.
You got him by the belly, it looks.
I mean, this has been a heck of a fight. Don't be too hot, too tough. Oh, Reed.
You don't want to force it, just gently pull.
Yeah. You want that to be
Feel
able
the
to,
line when it's.
you want that
gets
line
too
to be able to
tight.
pull out.
Here it goes. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Hold the pole up. He's gonna make that might be his last full run.
Come on, Reed.
I was happy with my fish about 10 minutes ago.
Three fish in less than an hour. We've been over there casting over here on them. Hold the pole straight up. Hold it up. Keep it up.
Oh, he can't hack it, man. He's wearing out. Reed's wearing out.
He's getting stronger by the second.
Dear God.
All right, look at here. Bub, you keep that camera on.
You're
Reed
right in
and
my
the fish.
shot.
There it is. It's a stud.
You ready, Chance? Get in there, Chance. Get in there.
Back up, Reed. You gotta go back. Oh, shoot. Yeah, go back. Real easy. Grab that bill. It's not hooked very good.
There you go.
Is that a big one?
That's a nice one.
Yeah. It's a real nice one.
Get over there, hold it up. Boy, he's on by a thread, it looks.
Yeah, he's all the way through.
Is he? Glad you got to carry this one to the truck.
Wow. That's intense.
How do you feel?
I feel good. Yeah, I feel great.
What you guys?
Yeah, that was the most fulfilling thing I've done in a long time. But
I think it's time for Mom and
All right, pick her up.
all right.
Good
Shit, man. Watch that hook.
Pull it up there.
My sister got one that's huge.
Alrighty, guys. Hold it up there, Reed, for everybody to see. I got a live video going. Oh, come on. Hold it higher
Hold
than that.
Get it sideways. Come on. I can't see it. It's behind you.
There it is.
Alrighty, guys. We're done.
All right.
That's a big sucker.
Ah, my thumb.